New generation. The new generation is waking up. They clear up their native land. Crops are green in river water. The sweet beauty of the field crops took the storm of thunderbolts. The new generation is waking up. They know about religion today. Who is doing the sacrifice, brutal rewards? Who did Hindu from this country a cruel plan of annihilation? Who broke the statue? Who broke the temple? Who are broken by the merciless and cruel thunderbolt, strong feelings of Hindus? Who did the merciless exploitation and torture, settlement, eviction, occupation, looting? Who made the Hindus destitute proletariat? Who said openly, take on Hindu, slaughter slowly. Take on ISKCON, slaughter slowly. They are neither Hindu nor Muslim, not a Buddhist, Christian. They are the enemy of the nation, destroyer of democracy, communal conflict, the ultimate threat to human civilization. They wave dreams in the heart of Bengal, joyful song of Pakistan's arrival at home. They want to break, decorated with various flowers. This is the garden of Bengal. They are neither Hindu nor Muslim, not a Buddhist, Christian. They still dream Pakistani brothers will come, will do possession and looting again. The women will take possession of the house. Their blood is Pakistani, yet they are dressed as Bengalis.